Okay, so today for MK's Details and Deep Dives, we're mixing things up. We're actually taking a look at the Grant's dual-sided microfiber detailing towels from Harbor Freight. That's where I work. This is something I'm doing on my own. I bought it with my own money. I want to show you this towel here because even though if you look at the packaging, it says nothing about using this for glass, which is why I think this is one of the best kept secrets at Harbor Freight for detailing. Look at this towel. If you look at the nap here, there's a lot of gaps in between these kind of bumps of material. This is perfect for glass cleaning. You don't want too much surface area because then it's kind of grabby on the glass, right? But these windows I did, and I didn't even plan on making a video about this towel today. I've been testing it for a couple of months, and I wanted to make sure that it was as good as I thought it was, and I didn't just get lucky or something before I recommended it. But this is definitely something I stand behind personally. I love this towel. I've been using it consistently for all my windows. You can see here I'm outside in the sun. I have not one single thing that I have to touch up. All of the windows were perfect from using this. So again, strongly recommend this. It's meant to be a multi-purpose microfiber, but I think it's great for glass. And now I'll show you a quick video inside where I brought it back inside just to show you what it can remove, and I staged it so you can appreciate what it can do.
What I did here is I actually put some M799 all over the glass, like on purpose, like a smeary mess, and any kind of a waxy sealant, oil-based kind of type product, it's one of those things that you'll deal with, especially if you're using a product like hybrid ceramic wax and you get it on the glass and then you come back to do the windows at the end. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a pain to get it off. So I'm going to show you what you can do using this towel. Now I'll say too, no towel is going to make up for bad technique. I always recommend that you apply your glass cleaner to your towel. Make sure you fold it into eighths. Don't make it a big ball because you want to be able to rotate to different sides. So you can see that it's easy to move around. And what the technique, really kind of the key to good glass cleaning is always going to be that you use a wet side for your initial pass to get the bulk off, and then flip to a dry side and use that to kind of go back over and get anything left, any residue off. And you can see even with all that $7.99, it pulls it right off. And in a perfect world, I actually recommend a two towel method. I'll use one towel for my first pass and make that wet, and then I'll go to a second towel just to make sure I'm not kind of cross-contaminating.
I'll leave you with two more quick tips about getting consistent results cleaning glass. I would say number one, make sure that if you've done anything with dressing, waxes, sealants, tires, leather care, whatever, prior to doing your windows, go wash your hands with soap thoroughly. Make sure you get them good and clean. That stuff will cross-contaminate your towels potentially and possibly add to some streaking issues that you can't really identify, right? The other thing is to make sure you continue to get these consistent results. Next time, make sure that you wash your glass towels only with microfiber towels or wash mitts, and I try and avoid anything else that was used with those same type of contaminants. So generally speaking, it's glass towels and wash mitts that I will bundle together and wash. The other thing is, as always with microfiber, don't use a dryer on high heat, only low heat tumble. And I like to add white vinegar into the rinse cycle to help remove any potential waxes or oils. Hope you appreciated the video, and I'll see you guys in a week.